Hi folks, this is Rick from AC Pocono Refrigeration Service. Today this is part 2, walk-in cooler upgrade. Here's the new unit. Nice evaporator, two nice large fan motors. There's the discharge air area. It's a 24 and 3/4. 24 and 3/4. There's the walk-in. Now we've already removed the compressor and the evaporator. There's the old evaporator. There's the old compressor unit. And I'll show you the hole we've made. We're going to install it. Inside look. Alright. Here's where the unit's going to be coming through into this. So now without the evaporator here in this area, they're going to have more room to store stuff. Plus, they don't have to worry about this water condensate because it's all taken care of in that self-contained unit. Okay, thanks folks for tuning in. Again, give us a call, 484-764-7738. Commercial, industrial, residential. Folks, if you own a restaurant or a business that has walk-in coolers, old school, let's upgrade you. Give us a call. I'll give you a great price. Fast service. These are reliable and dependable and easy to work on. 484-764-7738 is my cell phone. Call me direct. Thank you. God bless you during this so-called pandemic, the flu outbreak.